Industrial gold production is defined by geological scale and material continuity.
Mine geometry determines long-term GOLD ore stability.
Material fragmentation must remain predictable.
Ore structure governs liberation behavior. Transport rhythm affects downstream balance. Primary crushing sets metallurgical boundaries. Controlled breakage protects recovery efficiency. Continuous feed prevents process shock. Uniform particle size improves energy efficiency. Classification stabilizes grinding circuits. Grinding energy must match GOLD ore hardness.
Liberation quality defines economic return.
Particle control maintains separation stability.
Fine fractions carry gold-bearing chemistry.
Density contrast captures early value. Early gold concentrate reduces chemical load. Surface chemistry upgrades GOLD ore into Gold-D concentrate.
Selectivity defines recovery efficiency.
Solid-liquid balance supports system stability.
Water circulation sustains continuous operation.
Moisture control prepares material for heat.
Consistency reflects process discipline.
Value density increases security demand.
Refining environments prioritize containment.
Thermal energy releases metallic gold. Temperature discipline protects purity. Density and chemistry complete purification. Flow stability preserves quality.
Thermal continuity remains critical.
Refining elevates gold grade. Chemical balance removes residual elements. Electrochemistry achieves extreme purity.
Atomic level control defines refinement.
Uniform melt ensures casting accuracy.
Thermal precision protects integrity.
Mold geometry defines final form. Fill stability supports mass accuracy. Solidification defines structure.
Form and density are established.
Automation protects consistency. Surface reflects casting control.
Mass accuracy defines value. Specification confirmed.
Identity is permanently embedded.
Traceability is absolute.
Surface finish supports inspection.
Visual clarity supports trust.
Verification is digitally enforced. Only compliant gold proceeds. Security protects value.
Integrity is locked.
Storage prioritizes stability.
Access control is absolute.
Digital records preserve accountability.
Transport follows strict protocol.
Movement prioritizes risk control.
Production cycle completes here.
Verification confirms trust.
Purity meets specification.
Uniformity reflects discipline.
Microstructure ensures stability. Gold production never pauses.
System control protects consistency.
Stability defines performance.
Purity is transparent.
Transformation defines value.
Compliance supports trust.
Gold enters economic systems.
Identification remains precise.
Production continues beyond daylight.
Operational safety is continuous.
Human oversight remains essential.
Integrated systems drive refinement.
Consistency supports valuation. Gold is cleared for circulation.
Releaserization completed.
Value preservation begins. Traceability is permanent. Gold connects global markets.
Security remains continuous.
Containment is complete.
Scale and control operate together.
Stability defines trust. Quality is documented. Gold enters reserve systems.
Finish reflects refinement.
Data preserves history.
Precision defines value.
Inside the industrial gold bar factory.